Trust me, it'll take your heart. Trust me, it'll take. So good to be loved by you. Yes, it's so good, so good to be loved by you.
Oh my goodness, I absolutely love me some of that song. That is Marley Music, Jazmine Sullivan, off of his album The Transition of Marley, the song Loved by You. Anywho, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I am super happy. Guys, who wouldn't be happy if they finished 3 years of their damn degree and it's done and it's gone and I have time for myself, time to do things, time to get back to all the things that I absolutely adore and love and haven't really been able to do. Why? Because I've been studying. Anyway, point of this video is today we're doing a bit of a mishmash. We're doing a little bit of a haul video, but we're also doing a little bit of a kind of lookbook video because I wanted to actually style the pieces so that you guys could see what the pieces look like in a full outfit, because I always feel like that's a lot more helpful. Now, before I get into all of that amazing stuff, I do have to tell you something. And do you know what I just deeped? I just deeped that I am wearing yellow. Okay, I'm wearing mustard, but this is so convenient. Essentially, from those that follow me on you know, my other socials, you would see that this year I am honored to announce that I am actually an ambassador for Yellow Sunday. Now, just in case you don't know what that is, Yellow Sunday is basically a campaign that goes on every single year, whereby on, I think it's the Sunday of Father's Day, all I know is that it always falls on Father's Day, where people around the world wear something yellow in solidarity with people in Congo, in the Democratic Republic of Congo, or just Congo as a whole, in order to show solidarity for all the numerous things that are going on in the beautiful motherland and my homeland of Congo. This year is absolutely amazing. Our aim is to raise 1.2 million. Yes, let me say that again, $1.2 million. And I know it might sound like an absolutely insane number, but let me explain. So what we're trying to do this year is we are trying to raise enough money to send 1,000 nurses, so that's 1,000 nurses, in order for them to go back to school and do their 3-year course to be nurses. On average, it costs about $400 for a nurse to take, you know, their nursing course. So we want to have enough money to pay for their full 3 years of their course in order for them to qualify and become fully qualified nurses. So all that means, if we literally break it down, it means 100,000 people donating £10, $10 or 10 euros to the cause. And so what we're doing is on the 18th of June of this month, what we're asking people to do is to wear yellow, number one, in order to show your support and solidarity, and number two, donate that £10. So by you donating, you are essentially affecting millions of lives, and you're not only giving, you know, just for charity's sake, but you're actually giving to long-term and self-sustaining development. So just spread the news, let people know, go on my social so you can find out a bit more information as to how it's going to work and what we expect you to do. But please get involved. So now, the moment that I'm sure you've been waiting for, the clothes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to blast through all of the clothes, and then I'm going to go into the kind of lookbook section for you guys. But one thing that I do want to say is that I do apologize in case like it gets, like the lighting goes a bit off. We're going to start off with New Look. Now, the first item that I got from New Look recently is this bell-sleeved black dress. It's a really simple dress, and I saw myself wearing it on a very simple outfit day. And talking of bargain, okay boo-boo, this dress was $19.99 before, and it went down to £6. I bought this dress, and it's such a good material as well. I love New Look. £6, bro. The next item are these trousers. They're pink pinstripe trousers, and I have to say they are super comfortable as well. They were $24.99, even though I don't think these trousers are worth $24.99. I can't lie to you. They're kind of thin, so they should have been maybe £15, but I got them for £8. Okay, another wonderful bargain in the life of Nissy T. This is the next item, white shirt from Primark. Now, excuse me if you guys can see there's like maybe makeup stains. Why? Because I've already worn it, because I bought it. I bought it. Bloody hell, I watched too many American YouTubers. I bought it because I needed it for a particular event. It's just an oversized shirt from the men's section in Primark, and I absolutely loved it. And this was £8. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, we've moved on to Primark. My bad. The next thing that I bought from Primark is this. So this is also from the men's section in Primark. A camo t-shirt. It's called Endless, and it says Brooklyn, LA and New York on it. The reason why I bought this was because I actually wanted to wear it as a dress, but then I tried it on and the back is longer than the front. The back is fine. The front, especially when you have your boobs, so it lifts the dress a little bit more, the item of clothing a little bit more. And yeah, it was just, basically it's too short. So I can't actually wear it as a dress, but then I pieced it with something a little bit different that I'm about to show you. And this was, I've taken off the tag already as well because I've worn it, £7. And one thing about me, I'm fast, guys. When I buy stuff, I literally wear it like the next day. So the next thing from Primark is this belt. So these are really in right now, these kind of like oversized large kind of like corset-ish belts, and at the back it has the, you know, the clippy part on it. So I really wanted one of these belts because I was like, oh, I love how different people are like styling these belts. They look really nice. But I wasn't about to pay, I don't know where it was, but I saw this kind of belt for like £12, £15. I said, that is not my portion. So I went to Primani, and guess what? I found this belt. This was £4, ladies and gentlemen. The next item that I have from Primani are these, and I can't believe I'm touching the bottom right now because I've worn them already, but these gorgeous faux leather shoes. Guys, guess how much I got them for? £5. These were the last ones in my size. I'm a size 8 in heels, and they were perfect, and they are so comfy, like super comfy. Now we are moving on to H&M. I've only got one item from H&M actually, and yeah, this definitely isn't the hanger for H&M, but it's this cropped leather jacket. This cropped leather jacket was once upon a time £25.99. I bought it for £15. Yes, I love it. The next two items that I have for you guys are from Shein. I think they're based in China, and they actually contacted me to send me some stuff, and I was like, hell yeah. So this is a top from Shein. Now I know it looks really funny, and excuse me, it's got like a bit of a black mark on there. That's because, again, I've worn this already. I had a shoot a couple of days ago, so I wore it then, so it must have gotten dirty then. But basically it is a crossover top. There's a hole on one side for where you tuck in this, pull it through. Now the next item from Shein is this second shirt slash blouse, and I can't lie to you, this is my favorite. I love this top so much. I just think this top is just fabulous, don't you think? I love this top so much. Now moving on to a couple of accessories. I know you might be thinking, what the flip is that? It is just a thick I think it's 4.5 centimeter gold belt. I wanted this so I could style it with the white shirt. Do you see it? You see? Yes. I bought this from eBay. I saw this, the exact same thing, for cheaper, I think for like £4 or £3, but it was coming all the way from China, and I wanted this ASAP. I literally wanted it the next day because I was gonna wear it with my, like, you know, piece it with something. So I bought it for £8 or £9. And the last item that I have to show you, beautiful people, is something that's a little bit more pricey, which I will admit, but it is this handbag that I was sent by Teddy Blake. This gorgeous crocodile, yeah, as you can tell, I've already got stuff inside because I've been using this bag. I'm so in love. I'm in love with this bag. I didn't buy this, they sent this to me. I do have 2 other designer things. Those weren't bought, those were gifts. This is also a gift. One day I'll be able to say that I bought my first ever designer handbag. Until then, I've got this gorgeous crocodile bag from Teddy Blake. It came with this strap, which as you can see I haven't used yet, and it came with this like duster bag. I remember when Lizzie Loves, shout out to you, girl, for which it is. Lizzie Loves also got a Teddy Blake bag and was like, oh, I don't know what this is for. I don't know. She said something that was really funny. I don't know what it was, but I just remember cracking up and laughing, thinking, girl, that's to keep your bag clean and safe. That's what it's supposed to do. I'm gonna show you guys inside. Excuse all my stuff. Yep, all my stuff that's inside. This bag is way more spacious than it looks. There's this pocket bit here. There's this other pocket bit here as well, and then obviously it just has the main section inside where I've just chucked a whole bunch of stuff. I just feel like it's such a gorgeous bag, but it's one of those ones that I don't want to overuse. Like, I don't want to use it too much. It's not going to be an everyday bag. Does this look like an everyday bag to you? Now it's time to get into the fun part of the video where I try all of these different pieces on and give you some inspiration. So I'm gonna go and let you guys get watching. Hope that you enjoy the rest of this video. I hope that you enjoy the video as a whole. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And of course, stay beautiful.